Hello and welcome to this instructional video on the AJVTL1250VS. I'm going to go through with you today how to operate the machine. To start with, we enable the hydraulic oil pump using this button here. It can be turned off using this button. If we turn on our servos, we can use the manual hand wheel on either axis and using our increments down to X1, where we can move in very small amounts. This is the same for both axes. This will make setting up jobs a lot easier. The machine has a 4-speed gearbox, which is here. To change gear, we simply select the gear we want, push spindle speed change, and this will change into gear for us. The light will turn off when it is in gear and ready to go. The RPM display is here and controlled using this potentiometer. So to start the spindle forward, we then have control through the vary drive here. To use our feeds, we enable feed start, select our axis using the joystick, and our amount we set using our toggle switches. This will feed in both directions, up and down, left and right. These can be controlled with very slow feed rates. To stop the feed, we can either return the joystick to the middle or turn it off, and then we can stop our spindle. The spindle will run anywhere from 1 RPM up to 200. There we are at 200. This machine is fitted with coolant, which can be operated using the coolant pump toggle switch here. We'll feed out of here. We can move the beam up and down using the buttons. We just hold and the beam will move up and down. The brake for the beam is automatic and will come in once movement has stopped. Thank you very much.